5, 6, 7. Now, when we're doing a crossbody or crossbody combinations, what I would do is I would give it space to the lady on towards my left. So crossbody, I'm just guiding her across from this side to the other side here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 I would move across. 5 I would lead her in. 5, 6, 7. So from this side you can see it better. It's 1, 2, 3, basic 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now there are many combinations in this step. We can do an inside turn. So this is the outside turn. So it's 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'll do is I'll lift my hand up and lead my partner in for a turn. Okay? So the lady would turn inside for an outside turn. So I will go 1, 2, 3, lift, 5, 6, 7, 1. So remember the movement of the hand. So the hand would go 1, 2, 3. I'll move her in. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. I will do it slowly on the other side. So from here you can see it better. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The other turn you can do is an inside turn where I am getting my partner inside. 5, 6, 7. I am getting my partner in on 5 and 5, 6, 7. And I turn on the other way. So it goes 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and then go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do both the turns again. The outside turn 1, 2, 3, lift one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The inside turn, I'll bring my partner in and then turn now the other way around. 6, 7, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.